Welcome to the Full Tracy Money Audio Commentary. This is Owen Tracy recording, and it is 3:36 p.m. That is Central Time, and today is September 8th. Well, today was pretty momentous for gold because it broke out to a new inflation-adjusted peak for the first time since 1980. So, 45 years in the making, and there was a jolly long time when, on an inflation-adjusted basis, gold just went down. And then over the last 20 years, it has pretty much just gone up. And now we're at new all-time highs, so this is blue sky territory. And it does beg the question, what's going on now that is promoting gold over everything else, rather than what's been going on over the last 20 years? In many respects, the big bull market from the early 2000s up to about 2011, that was really about the rise of the middle class internationally, and that was consumer demand and sovereign demand for gold as living standards improved. And then, of course, there was also the lengthy period where the dollar was weak in the aftermath of 9/11 and the busting of the uh, Nasdaq bubble, because the USA embarked upon some boondoggle wars which spent an awful lot of money and devalued the purchasing power of the currency. And gold held its own during that period of time. Then, with the Tea Party coming into power in 2011, and not necessarily in power, but certainly having a strong impact on the outlook for the fiscal environment in the USA, and proposing several balanced budget initiatives, then that put some support under the dollar. And with the dollar beginning to rally, then gold underperformed, and a lot of the leverage that had been taken on in the preceding very big bull market was unwound. And that lasted really until about 2015. Then we had the first flurry on the upside, right in there. So then gold started to rally again, and it picked up pace during the pandemic with the massive increase in the volume of cash being created, and then subsequently went into a bit of a correction. It's worth considering that during the period of high inflation, gold pretty much went sideways in nominal terms, but in inflation adjusted terms, it was declining. And then it has really taken on new flavor among investors over the last 18 months. And one has to beg the question, why now? Well, one is that